Hi, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Victor Epo. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this simple design using your Corel Draw 2020. It's just a simple design. If you are a car dealer or you just want to play around with your Corel Draw, you want to just start learning Corel Draw and you need something to just work on, this tutorial is for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post regular videos, and you can hit the notification bell so as you won't miss out of any of my video. So let's get started. This is the design I'm about to create. It won't take much time, so just follow along with it. Go over to my new page. This is Corel Draw 2020. So once you click on it, the paper space I'm using is 5 by 5 inches. Then you double tap on your rectangular tool to give you an outline to work on. So because yellow was the last color I used, so what you do is just come over to this place and tap on your mouse. Then you can right click on it again to remove the outline. Now you see that previously we have yellow outline. So to do that, you just right click on this place, or you come over to this place. It was in outline, switch it to none. So the first thing I do is I just duplicate this. So duplicate it, you left click and drag your mouse. Once you left click, you get to the point you want, you right click so that you have two duplicates. For this, I'm choosing purple, or you can just come over to this place to choose it. So when I choose it here, it gives me something like this. So you double tap on this to just come over to color viewers and play around with it to give you the required color you want. So let me just leave it like this. Once you're done, you click on OK and you get this color. So for this, let me just move it up a bit. Then I come over to my shape tool, tap on this edge, press your shift down and tap on this so that both edge will be aligned, will be outlined. So you just left click and drag your mouse so that only these two parts would move while this place remains constant. So for this, let me just increase it a bit. I move it like this, then I power clip inside my shape. By power clipping, you right click and go over to your power clip. So let me bring in my resource file. For this, I drag in my car inside. Don't worry, I'm going to provide you with the image so that you can play around with it. So for this, let me just reduce it a bit. Okay, so you can just reduce this, just place it the way you would like it to be. Okay, then for the other image, I just bring in my whites just to create a little fill at the white side of the shape. So for this, I right click and power clip it inside the white. Then I come over to my edits. I just increase it to cover the whole space. So once I'm done with that, I press my control and page down to go behind the purple, and you click on finish. So that is why I have a little bit of curvy shape here. If you check it very well, that is the if you check it well, you see a curvy shape. So that is the background I used. Once you're done with this, I can just come over to my text and click on keep writing. So for this, create it like this. Come over to my my fonts and I'm using Niagara Solid, then increase it like this. Let me just make it small letter, so you double tap Ctrl A, Shift F3 and you come back to your title case. So keep it like this. Then for this, I don't like the spacing that is there, it's too much, so I come over to my shape tool and drag this up a bit. So I leave it like that. For this, let me just move my car down a bit. Okay. Alright, so I come over to my shape tool again and type best car dealers, best car renters deal. So Control A to highlight all, Shift F3, then I come over to my title case and choose it. Then for this, I'm using my Montserrat. Let me use Montserrat medium. Then I change it to my deep yellow and I reduce it very well. You can zoom it also to see. So I reduce it like this. You press your shifts and tap on this, then you press L to align it to the left of that keep riding, and I just place it here. So that is that about that. I come over to my circle, I just place it here. So to get a perfect circle, you press your control down while you drag. And I want to use the same color, and I can just transparent it a bit. You can transparent it a bit, or if you don't want it, you can just leave it like that. Then I duplicate this, I bring it here, I will reduce it like so. I zoom it to see what I'm working on, then Control A, I say all day. For this, I just reduce it a bit. I press my shift and tap on the circle, then C to centralize it. Then for this, I can just duplicate it. By duplicating, I hold my my left key down and drag. Then when I get to the point, I right click to duplicate it. Then I say 49.99. And for this, using yellow, then increase it. You see that I'm trying to stick to two colors, which is my purple and my yellow. And for this, I centralize it, and let me reduce this further and centralize it. Okay, so that's about that. Let me just move this up a bit. Okay, then for this, because there are some shadows there, that is why you are seeing all this, and you won't be able to export it. If you export it like this, you will still see this because it's beyond this your workspace. So what you do is you right click on it and power clip it inside, so that everything will be on the workspace. So for this, let me just create a little logo for this work. Let me just Control A, let me say Necus, then I make it title case, that is only the first letter I want to be N, to be capital. Then for this, I just choose my Britney signature. Then I come over to my circle, I just created this just for the sake of this tutorial. So I change it to white, I bring it backward, I place it like this. Let me just change this to white. Let me change this to white, and let me change this white to yellow. Okay, so that is how I created this particular logo. Just a simple one for this tutorial. So you just place your logo here. In case you want to do yours and you have a logo, you can just apply it there. And for this, okay, because of the time, let me just copy this, C and Control V. So that is how I created this particular design using my Corel Draw. Then for this this picture, and for the car, you can still edit it. Let me come back to my effects, adjust and image adjustment, so you can play around with it. Let me reset it. So you can play around with it to anyone you want, but for this I just come over to my contrast. Let me reduce it a bit. Okay, I play with my lights, play with my shadow, I play with my mid-tone. So you can just play around with it just to give you what you would love to have. So guys, that is how I created this particular design, and you can still add you see that this purple is plain. You can just tap on it, you come over to your effects, come over to noise, add noise. If you click on add noise, you see that it has a sketchy effect, so I'm leaving it as 50-50, and that one too will help you with make your design look more attractive. And you can still add some other things that will make your design look attractive, like for this, let me leave it like this. Then I come over to purple, I break the line, then I duplicate it, and press Ctrl D to make it more, and I just come over to my outline to make it for 0.75. So I can group this and just place it somewhere here. So you can just add this to make your design look more attractive. So for this, clipping it inside. For this, clip it inside. So all these ones will just make your design look more attractive. So guys, that is all for this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on any of my tutorial, because I post tutorial weekly, and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to see it. Hit the like button so that YouTube can showcase this design to other people. Who knows, anybody might be in need of it. So thanks guys for watching this to the end. See you in the next video. Bye.